Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Walmart app keeps crashing or freezing, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing the app completely, then wait for a few while and reopen it. Next, restart your phone to clear temporary glitches, system memory. Then head over to your app store, search for the Walmart app and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version available in your app store. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then, if the app freezes while browsing or checking out, try clearing background apps to free up memory. Then, if the problem continues, long press on the Walmart app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for Walmart again, and then reinstall your app once again. Then open your app, and it will reset completely, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.